satisfaction. And I'm here to give that for you. And man, it's getting too hot in here. Oh.
Walk around them bills, walk around them bills. Yeah, walk around them bills. Fucking on your dot, we in Cancun. Hitting on it, and I know I do it.
Bam. So, what's going on? This is going to be basically your basic how-to, your basic how-to dress for fall, winter, all of that. Because, we're in that season where it's going to get a little cold, can't wear no more short sleeves. So, you just got to start wearing some, some layers. So, let's just get straight into it, because this is a channel where we do all things fashion, whether it's a new pair of shoes coming out, whether it's an outfit that I want to rate, whether I give you tips on life on how to dress better, in my opinion. Now take note, everything that I'm about to tell you is my opinion. It's not how you're supposed to dress. It's how, if you want to get into fashion, you can maybe take tips and maybe pick up from my ideas, but maybe my ideas aren't the right ideas. So yeah, this is all just free judgment here. So let's just get straight into it. So step one, it's cold, so no more short sleeves. That's for one. So now we're talking about jackets. Now, to be honest, I think we all know it's North Face weather. This is North Face season. So if you want to get into fashion, I do recommend getting a North Face. Now, although North Faces are pretty pricey, they, serve a good purpose. You can have a North Face for about a good, I don't know, let's say 3 or 4 years, maybe more if you're done growing. You can have a North Face for 3 or 4 years and you can be good. So North Faces, they're nice. I recommend getting a North Face, but if you cannot, afford a North Face, there's always alternatives. So don't worry. So that's step one. It's North Faces, just any type of North Face. Step two, this isn't, I don't think a big step. It's kind of slept on. People don't really think about it too much. But step two, don't be afraid to layer. Don't be afraid to throw on a flannel or flannel. I don't know how to say that. That's a hard word to say. Don't be scared of throwing a flannel with a jacket with the undershirt under the flannel. Don't be scared to do that, because it is cold and you still want to be looking good while warm. So don't be afraid to layer, and that could mean more things than the flannel. You could have a sweater on top of a North Face jacket, a bubble jacket, a raincoat. You can do anything. So I will be showing you little things here and there of how to dress it. But yeah, that's that. Step three, don't be scared to go cheap. I know some of the best jackets are overpriced or a little bit higher priced, so don't be scared to go cheap. Marshalls has some really good jackets that you probably would not think were from Marshalls, and they're for a good affordable price. I remember I got a bomber jacket from Marshalls and it cost like $10 or $20, and no one's gonna know, unless you openly tell them. But hey, that jacket's nice, so I'm gonna wear that this winter and fall. So don't be scared to go cheap. H&M, people sometimes hate on H&M because for whatever reason, but I think H&M is the biggest plug ever if you want to get something for affordable prices. H&M has jackets, H&M has everything that you can imagine, and it's all affordable. You won't ever get nothing too overpriced, but H&M is a plug, so don't be scared to go cheap. Marshalls, H&M, you can even go thrifting if you wanted to. I have not gone thrifting yet, but that's on my bucket list. So that's something that you should really take into account. Don't be scared to go cheap. Because if you get judged, fuck them. It's you. This is your fashion. This is what you want to wear. So this is not about them. It's about you. So that's step three. Step four is don't be scared to mix up colors. Don't be scared to throw a little bit of this with a little bit of that. I know people think when it comes to fashion, the main goal, like the main objective, is to match. But really, you know, there's more to it than that. You know, like fashion can mean more than just matching colors. It can mean a lot more. So don't be scared to throw some colors with some other colors, because you might not know. It could be a whole outfit and you just, you know, saying yellow cannot go with green or blue cannot go with white, and you don't want to wear that outfit. But in your head, or little do you know, that could be a good outfit. So don't be scared to throw colors and, you know, throw different colors in and out, you know. Do not be scared to do that. And this is step 5. Step 5, tip 5, number 5, however you want to call it. This is pretty, you know, it's not really a tip, but something that you can always, you know, keep in your head. When it comes to shoes, it doesn't matter if you have the best pair of shoes on the market or the cheapest pair of shoes on the market. It's how you wear them. So I think when it comes to fall and winter, you need to, you know, apparently there's a rule for Labor Day. You can't wear white after Labor Day, but you know, I don't care about that. Anywho, when it comes to shoes, you should, you know, really try to let your shoes play a big part into your outfit. You can't have, you know, some good colors going together. You can't have a nice, you know, set of colors and then, you know, just throw it off and, you know, have shoes that, you know, doesn't complement the outfit. You need to have, you know, if you have some, this might go against my last tip, which is saying throw colors in there, but if you have, you know, a shoe that makes your outfit bad, don't do it, you know. And this is kind of hard to explain, but I mean, like, when you have an outfit, let's say you have a red shirt, some blue jeans, don't have a pair of orange shoes. It's just like, you know what I'm saying? Or no, not even that. You know what? Fuck this tip. That tip is dumb. Don't follow that tip. Yeah, I just canceled my own tip, but I do stuff like that. So that's that. So I'm going to be coming back at you guys with more fashion tips. This is, you know, something slight, something, you know, for the moment to, you know, start the wave, get it started. And I'll be coming back at you guys with a lot more fashion tips and stuff like that. A lot more, you know, things that you should and shouldn't do, whatever, you know, all types of stuff. So hope to see you guys in the next video. Hope to see you guys, you know, showing support, showing, you know, likes, comments, you know, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, drop a sub. You know, this could be something that could be useful to you. Little do you know, it could play a big part. You don't know. So drop a like, drop a sub, you know, show support, and do what you do. And we are out.
Yeah, yo, bitch, she gravitate. Yeah, I'm crumbling weed on the glass. I'm tripping that levitate. Yeah, I'm tweaking. She turning her knob. Yeah, I got the sauce. Yeah, I'm king of the ox. Yeah, young nigga dog. Yeah, fuck a bitch and a nigga loft. Oh.